SPGC Stock Monday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this full mini video till the end to find out. Sachs Parenti Gold stock is sitting at 56 cents and it is 27, almost 30% up on Friday. Now, in general, I'll definitely have to just have a higher time and peek at this because, yeah, this is an awful price action. Then out of nowhere, we went up 56% for the last week. But for context, I've done 34,000 videos over the last 4 years, spent thousands of dollars in course mentorships, and I've documented everything. So, like, just observing SPGC, it is gonna come here. Yeah. Look at this thing, man. This is still gonna sit on the chart now from these lows because this is kind of just a little modification, you know, not much. But that's the relationship between me and my opportunity here, because I'm not closing myself off this potentially going up, because it obviously sure could, but the only thing that will make sense for me is if I see these double breaks and then I take things low. So that's how SPGC looks like for me. This is not financial advice. One movement like this or like a week, it's not much, so I have to keep that in mind. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple only way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.